Welcome to our automation testing scenario talks. Today we are talking about Playwright core concepts part 2. We'll introduce assertions, AutoWaiting, test retry and timeout. From a test structure, we can see the Playwright test structure contain all of this one. From here, we can see assertion. Assertion uses expect function, can validate URL, return text, also validate web element status. Auto-waiting behavior. Playwright automatically wait for elements to be visible, enable, attached to DOM. That is, we don't need to write code for wait because Playwright automatically wait elements to be show up and visible, enable, and attach. Retries fail action. When the Playwright test fails, we can set retry and redo the test. We can set the 2 times, 3 times, and you can decide which time you want retry. Test retry and timeout. Yeah, here is the future retry. Retry is a general retry flag test. Sometimes is because loader slowly cannot pass and retry second time or third time is pass. And the general from a config file you can decide retry times. I will use this command to run a test retry 2 times. Timeout. You can set timeout per test or per action. I set for the per test. Trace. Enable trace on to debug flaky tests. Okay, let's look at the code. First, we look at the Playwright config.js file. We can see here is the retry is 0. So I can change it like I want 2 times retry. Also here is the timeout. I want to set 40 seconds. So change this one and here is 40 seconds. Then I save. I go to this script. In the last talk, we introduce this script. We just use locator or by the role or by the name and find the web elements. Right now, I want to show how to use Assertion to verify the content. So here, let me first say test before each, because before each go to this web address. So first I want to verify page title. So I go to this web page. So I want to have a title is like this ADM lucid. This should show on the page. Second assertion is verify the correct web address. So you can use whole address URL. Also, you can use contain web elements. I use whole URL. And here is a test. So before I introduce that back row, find the button. So name is the button for click. Then after click, we verify click the button. So we should this button is be visible. So if not variable, this code probably fail. And test 2 is here. Like this is ByRole and find the link. Click this link is redirected to the home page. So I check a session to verify URL after click the link. So after click the link, so this URL should redirect to the home page. So should have this URL. So this is verify. And this is click this like the import text in the text box. So after import, use expect page locator. Locator is find web elements. Make sure web elements have value. This value is type field, so should have this value. And another test is for this one is the text area. Also after fill this text in the text area and check this text area have value as this value. And here is check the checkbox. So after checkbox check, so this is expected check the web page web elements locator. This checkbox 1 to be checked. After check, so this is to be checked. If not checked, this is not to be checked. So this is a test. So I can run a test. You say I have 5 tests. So 5 tests contain one part is find the web elements. Second part after action, check the action is take effect. So all of the test is pass. Then I will show is a fair test. This is a fair test. So I run this one. You can see what happened for this one. There is a 5 test pass, and the last one is running. I give the 40-second timeout. So is the wait. You can see here is waiting for the timeout. Okay, so is the timeout. You see here is timeout 40-second, and then cannot find this button. Yeah, so that's a fail. And I will run the command and see the retry. So I open the terminal and you see I type this command and retry 2 times. So you can see what happened for the retry. So from here, you can see retry 1 time. Yeah, you can see manual retry. But I not wait for finish. Yeah, 2 times retry. Thank you for watching the video. In the video, I introduced the Playwright, Assertion, Retry, Timeout, AutoWaiting. If you want to follow us update, please subscribe. See you next time.